Are you currently planning of starting a locks journey? I mean dreadlocks. Or you are presently on locks right now, just like me. Then this video is for you. Yes. I've had those locks on me for like 6 weeks now. Yes, and guess what? I've not washed it. So today is dreadlocks wash day. Woo! I'm actually going to walk you through my dread wash day. Yes, so do all to enjoy. I'm washing my dreads today. Yeah, so come with me and enjoy. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's House of Aduke. Before you continue watching this video, please do want to click on the subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment. Let me know where you're watching this video from. If you're a lover of Christ, beauty, and fashion, because that's what this channel is all about. Faith, beauty, lifestyle. So let me know in the comments where you're watching this video from. Thank you. As I said earlier that it's wash day. Yes, I'm so happy. I don't know why. Like, the joy of the Lord is my strength. Yes. So I actually made up my mind not to wash my hair for like 2-3 weeks. But 3 weeks became 4 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, now 6 weeks. I think I did this hair on live. Yes. I did the hair on live. I think 27th of October last time I checked. Yes. So I did singles on live. So then I transformed it to dreads. Actually did not make a video of that because I was just doing it just to keep my hands busy. So I didn't actually record where I transformed this from single hair to dreadlocks. Yeah, so actually, as I said earlier, I made up my mind not to wash my hair for 2 weeks because I believe dreadlocks is a protective hairstyle. So I actually want my hair to grow. And believe me when I say this, my hair is growing. Yes, it's growing. It's growing. It was not as long as this. Locking your hair is like a protective hairstyle to keep your hands or to keep activities away from your hair. So I think my hair has added like an inch to its length. Yes, I've actually relocked it like once. So, and just in 2 weeks or 3 weeks since I relocked it, and see the length now, my hair is growing. Yes, so join me on this dreadlocks journey. I'll be posting videos about my hair. Yes, subsequently I'll be posting videos and my dreadlocks journey. My hair was actually relaxed beforehand, colored. Yes, I colored my hair into gold. Yes, but I was tired of the color, so then I trimmed it off. Actually, I trimmed it off. That was why I had a short length. I trimmed it off. So then I decided that I'm starting a natural hair journey. Then I just made up my mind to transform it to locks and to see how it goes. And believe me when I say this, my hair is growing. Back to the main purpose of this video, the dreadlocks wash day. Yes, actually I won't be using any special or recommended products in washing my hair. I just got this regular shampoo and conditioner from the pound shop, and this is volume 5. Yeah, I'm not promoting or advertising. Yes, I'm just letting you know I didn't get any special shampoo or conditioner for washing my dreadlock. I'll be using the shampoo and conditioner and this brush to scrub my hair. So I'll be using it to scrub my hair because I think 6 weeks without washing, it deserves a good scrub. Also, I'm using this towel to mop up my head. And before now, I made an homemade hair food, like an hair growth cream. So that's what I'll be adding. I won't be adding any dreadlocks product on my hair. Yes, I'm not adding any dreadlock product on my hair. I'll just be adding hair growth oil and homemade hair growth cream and oil I made myself. So now, firstly, I'll be washing my hair. And mind you, I'll be using warm water in washing my hair. Warm water in washing my hair. Remember I said I'll be using warm water in washing my hair. So I'm just getting the temperature right. Not too hot, because I don't want to be burning my head off now. Yeah, that's better. So I'll wet up my hair first. Wetting up my hair. And trust me, my hair is not that dirty. Yes, my hair is not that dirty. So I'm using this shampoo first. Adding the shampoo. This might not be how you wash your dreads or how dread is being washed, but I'm showing you how high I'm washing my dreads. Wow, my hair is beautiful, even from washing. You can see how lovely my hair is looking. Wow. Lovely. So let me wash it out now. Oh God, I think I've just had a good wash. Wow, see the roots of my hair. Wow. Wow. See the roots. Wow, so neat, so clean. So I'll be adding the conditioner now. I'm adding the conditioner now. This conditioner I've added is enough. Yeah, so let me just brush it through my hair. If you're a dread lover, I believe you should be able to do this yourself. If you have locks, if your hair is being locked right now, if your hair is on locks right now, I think you should be able to do this yourself. And if you are still thinking of locking your hair, you're about starting your lock journey, I think watching this video should have made you know how to take care, how to wash your dread yourself. So I'm combing the conditioner into the hair. Just let it sit for a bit. Just let it sit for a bit before washing it out. Wow. Why it's so pretty. Wow. Why is so pretty? Well, what do you think? Isn't my hair pretty? Yes, my hair is pretty. So I'm combing it through. I think that's better. So I'll be washing it off now. I'll be washing it out now. Yeah, and that's all. I think that's a very good wash. Yeah. Like I said earlier, I'm not adding any special product or any recommended products to my locks or any dreadlocks product. I'm actually using product I made myself. Do it yourself. Yeah, so I made this oil. You can say I made this oil myself, and this is the hair food I was talking about earlier. It's likely I may be dropping the video of how I made this later on, so to share it with you so you can also get yours and do it yourself. So I'll be adding, these are the products I'll be adding to my hair. They were made myself. So there's the oil and there's the hair food. So I'm not adding any special dreadlocks product. So after adding it, then I will dry it. So let me add it to the, let me just add this. Let me just spray it on it. Then I'll rub it all together. Let me add it to the roots. Yeah. Well, my hair is so pretty. So I'll be adding this the hair food, everything all together. So I'm adding this to my hair. As you can see, I'm just adding it to the roots. Yeah. Just adding it to the roots. I think I'm just adding it to the roots. I think that's better. So this has come to the end of my wash day. I've added the hair growth oil and the hair food. I'll just be drying it with the hand dryer. And that's all. So as you can see, after adding the hair food and hair oil to the hair, so it's drying time. So I want to dry my hair now. As I said, I'm not adding any dreadlocks products to the hair. I just added the hair oil and hair food as I showed you the other time. So I'll just be drying it now. I know some people might be asking that, is this how I'll be leaving the hair? Yes, this is how I'll be leaving the hair for now. Because I actually have a special style. I want to transform this to, it will still be in dreadlocks, but I want to transform this to the new hair I have in mind. So watch out my next video where I'll be showing you what I transformed this into. So my hair is dried now. I'm so glad and happy at how clean and neat my hair came out. I'm so happy about that. So if you have watched this video to this moment, I say a very big thank you to you for coming this far. So watch out for my next video where I'll be showing you what I transformed my hair from looking like this to the new one. Yes. So thank you so much. If you have come this far, you have been watching this video till this moment, please do what to click on the like, subscribe button and drop a comment. So see you in my next video. Do what to like, subscribe, share us to family and friends, to your friends who has dread, or to someone or anyone who is thinking of starting a dread journey. So share this video to them. See you in my next video. Remember, Jesus loves you. Bye.